ClosersCopy joins the AI art battle. I just made a video yesterday talking about all the options or some of the options you have when generating images with AI, and today ClosersCopy releases his new Creatives part. This is included in ClosersCopy, so no upsells. If you are already a ClosersCopy user, you already have this Creatives section. If you are not a ClosersCopy user, this can be your chance to have a good AI writing tool and now an AI art images generating tool. If you want, you can find my affiliate link for ClosersCopy here below my video. You can purchase a lifetime deal. Today this is the price. I say today because sometimes you also find some discounts, some promotions, so check the description below because I will update with my promotion codes, so you can even save money when you purchase your lifetime deal of ClosersCopy. It doesn't cost too much if you consider that you have unlimited AI writing, unlimited SEO audits, unlimited updates. This is the one seat only plan. If you need more seats, you have other plans here. But now you also have images, and as far as I know, you have unlimited generations. So let's see how it works. Here in this menu at the left, you now have this new Creatives button. Just by clicking here, this interface will open. It works more or less as the other image generation tools. So let's try to generate something so we can see how much time it takes to generate images and so on. I will use as an example OpenArt to find some ready-made prompts. Let's take this for example. As you can see, I can copy my prompt from another image, and by going here and pasting the prompt, I can generate something that will not be the same image, maybe will be similar. You can obviously write whatever you want here and generate your images. Let's try simply like this: draw for me. I have to agree to this term of service, obviously, so here you can see community guidelines, the MCA, and so on. I agree. Okay, and now my generation started. Let's see in real time how many seconds it takes to generate images. Remember, this is free. If you have ClosersCopy is included, no upsells, so it's not too bad. Some seconds, and as you can see, I have an image. It's a big image, I will say. It's not the same as this, but I used the same prompt. Now, as you can see here, you have this expires in 30 minutes. So if you like an image, you need to download it because it will expire in 30 minutes. This is just to avoid server overload for ClosersCopy server, obviously. Now, by clicking on the image, you can download the image by clicking this dimension 512 by 512. But you can also download an upscaled version of 2048 by 2048. This is good. It's already upscaled. You just need to click here and download your image. You can also like the image with this heart button. This will help the AI to generate better images going forward. Really interesting. You also have this number, this little number. This is called the seed, and you can see this number only when you click on the image and you open it. So if I want to use this image but generate something similar but with some little differences, I can copy this seed number Let me copy this one. I close this image, and here in this field I can insert my seed. Now, if I generate again, I will have exactly the same image because the prompt is the same and the seed is the same. If I want something similar, but taking inspiration from this image, I need to change something here. For example, let's say Unreal Engine, and let's try to generate again, draw for me. Now it's using this seed image and this variation. So I will have an image, it will not be exactly the same, but quite the same to this with some changes. This can be really, really useful. And it's a little bit different, but it's quite the same kind of image in another position. For example, it's not so simple to have exactly the same position, but sometimes it will happen. Anyway, really, really interesting how I can use the seed from one image to generate some variations. This can be really useful if you maybe want to create an NFT collection. If I remove this seed number and generate again, I will have something probably quite different from these two images. Let's wait a few seconds until our AI generate this image, and as you can see, it's quite good. It's quite I really like this one. As you can see, my colorful instruction it's here and even here, to be honest. It's quite good. It's quite fast in generating images. I like how the images are generated. It's obviously using Stable Diffusion as AI model. I also can decide something I want to avoid in my images. I copied another prompt. It's a complex one, as you can see, and let's say I want to avoid colors. So maybe I want something with a few colors or black or white, and I can try in this way by excluding colors. Let's see if AI understands what I want with this prompt generation. Okay, as you can see, I have my image. There is some color, but not too much. So maybe our AI understood what I wanted. Now I've tried something really simple, a cat wearing glasses, and as you can see I had this image, but let's say I want to use this seed image, for example. So let's place a seed here, and I want to avoid blue glasses. So let's see if I have something similar in next image, but without this blue here inside glasses lens. Okay, obviously I don't have now blue glasses. I have some green color here, but my cat is wearing glasses. Obviously AI is not perfect, so maybe sometimes this will not be respected, but it's quite useful to have what would you like avoid in your prompts here, and your seed number here to start from some kind of image or kind of image you like. Then you also have a wizard here. If you click on a wizard, you can define some parameters. This will help you to generate good prompts. For example, let's say cat as a subject, styles. As you can see, you have many styles to choose from here. Let's say Afrofuturism, I don't know what it is. Artists, you can choose one of these or not to choose it. Let's say Leonardo da Vinci. Formats, photography, let's say advertising poster. You have boosters here. Let's choose 8K. As you can see, you have many things to choose from. Really helpful, this part inside the ClosersCopy. You have vibes, so we can choose moody, for example, and you have perspectives. Let's choose a drone. I think it will be a drone view of this cat in style of Afrofuturism by Leonardo da Vinci advertising poster 8K moody drone. Use prompt by clicking on the prompt, and the prompt now is here, and I can click again, draw for me. And as you can see, this is my image. As you can see, you can play with all these parameters. You also have a history button here where you can see all your used prompts. So if you want to recover one of these because you liked it, you can do it. I don't know for how much time your history will be here. Anyway, you have also a clear button, you clear all your fields, and you have an example where ClosersCopy generates a random image, I think. Let's see if by clicking in it again, no, it's the same. So example just gives you an example of how a prompt needs to be made. Anyway, this is how ClosersCopy Creatives works. I think it's quite good if you think that it's included in your ClosersCopy account, even if you have a lifetime deal. Lifetime deal is still available. If you click on the link you find here below my video, you can reach this page. You will have sometimes some discounts. You will also have, I think, an Halloween special discount. I will update in the description my code as soon as a new code will be released. So, with a lifetime payment, you can have unlimited AI writing, unlimited SEO audits, unlimited updates, unlimited images generation with these new ClosersCopy Creatives features. And if you want to know more about ClosersCopy, I already made some videos about it. Just search for them in my channel. I will also leave the link to my complete review here below in the description. And if you are fascinated about this AI art, AI images generations, you can check my previous video. I made it yesterday, and here is the link. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you will not lose my next videos. Thank you and see you soon here on Digital Toolcase.